I am now recording my setup. Here on the left, yeah, here on the left is our marble heater. We use nichrome wire and marble rock for the production of this heater. And here is the industrialized water heater. We started heating at 8:28 p.m. with room temperature water, 7 liters each pail. Yeah. We'll be back after 8:38 to check on the temperature. It's now 8:41 overtime. It seems like the water the water heater that we made is improving more. It has more smoke. And the industrial water heater is still heating up. You can see that difference here. This produces more steam, while this does not produce that much. I will be back after 10 minutes to check on this again.